How to add voiceover to Instagram story. So if you want to add a voiceover to Instagram story, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, then you need to open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you need to just go with the bottom right or the bottom middle, which has that plus icon, and from here you can go with story. Now after taking something, if you want to add a voiceover, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. Here you may have an option, or you can also just simply go with music. Or if you don't find the voiceover option, then you just need simply go back and select the reel section or a post section. So you'll have reel, tap on reel, and then go with the camera, go with next, and from here go with the mic, which is on the bottom, and then add your voiceover. So tap on that circle and then you will have your voiceover. And after that, once it's done, you need to go with done, which is on the bottom right, and that's it, your voiceover has been added. Now you can go with the arrow, which is on the top right, and post it. That's how you can add your voiceover on your Instagram. Now you need to go with next and then post it as a reel, and after that you'll be able to post it on your story. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.